Welcome to RMP STO office. My name is Kari Nungro. I am CEO of the company.
The web portal rmp.ee has been successfully running for 7 years now and provides necessary accounting, taxation and law-related information to all Estonian citizens and to entrepreneurs free of charge. rmp.ee has more than 36,000 active registered users. The portal receives about 15,000 unique visits per week. The visitors range from entrepreneurs, accountants and managers to students. There are also many visits from employees who are having problems with their employers and seek additional information about labour laws. The web portal rmp.ee is updated daily, provides the latest news on important topics, specialist articles, upcoming trainings, job offers and public fora where everyone can join in the debate and share information. Another important objective is the provision of information not only to active businesses but also for startups in order to gain additional decision-making confidence and therefore hopefully creating more jobs and business opportunities. RMP EST's main goal is to raise the overall level of knowledge regarding accounting laws and regulations, providing and sharing information, resulting in a knowledge-based and improved conduct among the employers and employees and taxpayers.